You were fighting for the last spot para makapasok sa final Big Four. Siyempre, anong na-feel mo na at that time? Kasi yung tinaw na hindi mo, parang napakakalmado mo at that time. In-expect mo na ba na lalabas ka or nag-ready ka lang at that moment?
At that time, I wasn't really expecting anything talaga. And to answer your question, if hindi ako nagkakamali, pang fifth time ko na ata consecutive manominate or mapunta sa eviction night. So every time na napupunta ako dun, siguro ready na rin talaga ako. Anytime. Sabi namin palagi, everything happens for a reason. So, at that time, parang sabi ko, oras na, oras na. Masakit kasi yun nga, last eventee kami ng PBB Collab. Sobrang sakit, parang heartbreak siya, honestly. Blanco lang yung mukha ko nun kasi kailangan ko maging Anton for Bianca. Kasi alam kong mas magiging mahirap to for her. Yun for her. So ako, naging positive na lang din talaga ako. At of course, yung nakapasok naman is yung duo na close din namin, which is si Mika and Brent. So, happy rin naman. Happy na may kasamang sakit, parang ganun. Halo, mixed emotion.